October 17, 1998, witnessed a significant event in the field of Chinese telecommunications. ZTE, after beating its competitive rivals, including some world-famous telecom corporations, finally won a $95 million contract, owing to its advanced technology and reasonable price. This represents a milestone in the history of Sino-Pakistan cooperation in telecom development. As the general contractor of the turnkey project, ZTE will provide 2,700,000 lines of switches, accessories, and outside plants. It will also undertake the expansion and reconstruction of the telecom networks in 15 cities in Pakistan. At the same time, ZTE will set up a factory in Pakistan to promote technical cooperation. With these phenomenal achievements, ZTE has shocked the world. As early as March 1998, ZTE defeated many world-famous telecom equipment manufacturers and won the bid for the Bangladesh telecom construction project. Up to now, the first ZXJ10 switches and accessories have already been installed to form the local exchange offices in Thakurgaon, Chapanawagaon, and Nowgaon, and the second phase of the bids has also started. What's more, in Vietnam and the Ivory Coast, ZTE access equipment is under commission. In February 1998, ZTE signed a protocol with the Congo for the establishment of a large-size joint venture. At present, the last-minute preparations are still being made. ZTE, which enjoys its own intellectual property rights, is a state-holding public company of high technology engaged in developing, manufacturing, and selling large-scale telecom equipment. In 1998, the annual turnover has been $500 million, and it is expected to reach $2 billion by the year 2000. Delegations from America, Syria, Tunisia, Indonesia, Croatia, Ethiopia, Iraq, and other countries have visited ZTE in succession. They highly appreciate its advanced technology and products. ZTE has already reached agreements with many countries to cooperate on reciprocal benefits in terms of equipment supply, joint ventures, technical transfer, telecom operations, and many other flexible modes. ZTE has a staff of more than 5,000 people, among whom 75% are bachelor, MA, and PH.D. degree holders in research and development, sales, and management. ZTE encompasses Shenzhen Research and Development Center, Nanjing Institute, Shanghai No. 1 Institute, Shanghai No. 2 Institute, Beijing Institute, and a postdoctoral mobile station where about 2,000 experts are gathered, striving for the tracing, research, and development of the latest telecom technologies and new products. In Silicon Valley in the U.S., ZTE has set up a full property laboratory, aiming at the frontier technologies of the world. In addition, ZTE has established a TI-ZTE DSP joint laboratory with Texas Instrument Company to do further research on the DSP chip and its applications. In order to guarantee a continuous supply of new products, ZTE invests over 10% of its annual sales in the research of new technologies. ZTE takes an active part in developing large-scale, integrated circuit technologies and applying them in its self-developed telecom equipment. To follow the trend of electronic assembling and welding technology, a special IC center has been set up where dedicated integrated circuit chips are designed and produced. ZTE has introduced a world standard SMT production line to realize automatic production, and currently annual production has reached 8 million lines. In August 1995, ZTE passed the verification of ISO 9001 International Quality Management and Confirmation, and became the first to get the ISO 9001 certificate among the telecom equipment manufacturers in China. The customers are hereby guaranteed high-quality products and service. The ZXJ10 large-scale SPC switch has already caught up with the advanced international standard of the 1990s. With 10 million lines in operation, ZXJ10 has become the major model on the public network of the post and telecommunications. It plays an important role in the private networks such as Union Telecommunication, Broadcasting and Television, national defense, the railway, oil fields, and coal mines. ZXJ10 has also found its application in some countries in Southeast Asia and Africa. The ZXG10 mobile system was developed on the basis of up-to-date telecom technology. Being compatible with GSM 900 and 1800, ZXG10 can provide high-quality mobile service. It also is the best choice for mobile telecom operators to expand their telecom networks. The ZXA10 Integrated Access Network tops the list of the 8 active optical access equipment systems of both domestic and foreign vendors recommended to enter the national public networks by the China Telecommunication Bureau. ZXA10 is recognized as the first brand in Chinese access network market, and it has entered into the markets of Vietnam, the Ivory Coast, and other countries. The ZXWLL wireless access system is based on a trunk communication system. By integrating the advantages of the mobile communication system, which is open to the public networks, and the trunk mobile system that is easily dispatched, the digital wireless local system adopts the most advanced CDMA extended frequency modulation mode, thus realizing effective communication from a point to multi-points of a fixed station or between many subscribers of a fixed station. ZTE's wireless access system has been applied in many provinces and cities in China. CXM-VC 3000 is the first Chinese video conferencing system to get the Net Entry Certificate issued by MPT. It is taking the lion's share in the newly expanded market of China's video conference backbone network. The ZXSM SDH optical transmission products are composed of 155 megabit per second, 622 megabit per second, and 2.25 gigabit per second series. They supply a set of solutions for the construction of the optical transmission network, so they have been widely used in China. The ZXDU series was the first to pass the strict net entry verification by the National Defense Ministry and is also one of the first power supply products permitted to enter the public network. Now it has been widely used in the post and telecommunication, union telecommunication, and private networks. ZXDU series are playing an important role in the telecom networks in Southeast Asia, Africa, and other countries. ZTE is growing at an amazing speed. Now it is strong enough to work out the optimization solution to meet the highly increased demand for telecommunications by any countries. ZTE is willing to share its successful experience with friends from all over the world. Together, let's turn a new page in our cooperation, and together, let's do our best to realize global telecom unification.